Hi, welcome to the divine science of astrology. In this video, we will know for Leo ascendant persons the favorable areas of field for growth depending on the position of their ascendant lord. We will also know about the favorable houses and favorable conjunctions. Watch till the end and subscribe my channel. Welcome to my channel Solar Astro. Leo ascendants. For getting better results, your ascendant in Navamsha D9 should not be in 6th, 8th or 12th house. That is, it should not be in Capricorn sign, Pisces sign or Cancer sign. If your ascendant in Navamsha D9 is any one of these signs, you have to put lot of efforts to achieve success. Your ascendant in birth chart should not be hemmed between malefics like Rahu, Ketu, Saturn. If your ascendant in birth chart is hemmed between malefics, then you have to put lot of efforts to overcome the unfavorable circumstances. If your ascendant degrees lies between 0 to 10 degrees, then you will have financial gain after many difficulties. You have to put more efforts to earn money. 21, 26, 31, 33, 38, 43, 50, 54 are important years in your life. If your ascendant degree lies between 10 degrees to 20 degrees, then you have gradual financial growth. After 50 years, you get huge wealth. 23, 26, 31, 36, 45, 53, 54 and 56 are important years in your life. If your ascendant degree lies between 20 degrees to 30 degrees, you are lucky in financial matters. You get money unexpectedly. 21, 29, 34, 46, 52 and 54 are important years in your life. If ascendant lord Sun is in first house in Leo sign, then you are talented but egoistic. You may be short tempered also. You have lot of determination. You rise in your life by your own efforts. Sometimes you may be ruthless. Sun from first house aspects 7th house. Therefore, first house, 5th house, 7th house and 11th house are favorable houses. Self-employment, creative fields, astrology, speculative businesses are favorable to you. If ascendant lord Sun is in 2nd house in Virgo sign, then you have good oratory skills. You attract others by your magnetic talks. You have pleasing personality. There will be no dearth of money. You always have money. You will have a say in the family. You undertake multiple activities at the same time. Sun from 2nd house aspects 8th house. Therefore, 2nd house, 6th house, 8th house and 12th houses are favorable houses. Finance, banking, family business, sports, law, medical are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Sun is in 3rd house in Libra sign, then Sun is debilitated here. You are courageous and hardworking. You rise by your own efforts. This placement is not good for your father. You may be deceived by your colleagues and partners. You get name, fame, but you may have some sexual weaknesses. Sun from 3rd house aspects 9th house. Therefore, 1st house, 3rd house, 7th house and 9th house are favorable houses. Self-employment, communication field, software, IT, own business, public relations, politics, foreign travel agencies are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Sun is in 4th house in Scorpio sign, then you enjoy comforts and you lead luxurious life. You possess landed property. You also possess vehicles. You get favor from government and friends. Sun from 4th house aspects 10th house. Therefore, 2nd house, 4th house, 8th house and 10th house are favorable houses. Property dealing, real estate, secret services, occult, insurance are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Sun is in 5th house in Sagittarius sign, then you are a lucky person. You have divine blessings. You earn money in speculation. You are intelligent and educated. Sun from 5th house aspects 11th house. Therefore, 3rd house, 5th house, 9th house and 11th houses are favorable houses. Creative fields, astrology, speculative business, advisory, foreign travel agencies are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Sun is in 6th house in Capricorn sign, then your life is free of diseases and free of debts. You will have good status and wealth. You will win over your enemies. You may visit foreign countries. Sun from 6th house aspects 12th house. Therefore, 4th house, 6th house, 10th house and 12th house are favorable houses. Job, sports, law, medical, administration, management are favorable fields to you. If ascendant lord Sun is in 7th house in Aquarius sign, then you love yourselves. You are not interested in marriage. You prosper more in foreign country away from your homeland. You dislike your spouse. You may face trouble from government. Sun from 7th house aspects 1st house. Therefore, 1st house, 5th house, 7th house and 11th houses are favorable houses. Own business, public relations, politics, foreign travel agencies are favorable to you. If ascendant lord Sun is in 8th house in Pisces sign, then you get inherited property. You will have secret income. You have good personality. Your diseases cannot be diagnosed till the last stage. You must be careful. Sun from 8th house aspects 2nd house. Therefore, 2nd house, 6th house, 8th house and 12th houses are favorable houses. Secret services, occult, insurance, astrology, foreign services, hospital field are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Sun is in 9th house in Aries sign, then this is one of the best placement. Sun is exalted in Aries. You are materialistic and practical person. You don't have any physical troubles. Your father is your teacher, but this placement is not good for father. You earn wealth, you will have sons. From 9th house, Sun aspects 3rd house. Therefore, 1st house, 3rd house, 7th house and 9th houses are favorable houses. Self-employment, foreign agency services, advisories, foreign travel agencies are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Sun is in 10th house in Taurus sign, then this is also one of the best placement for Sun. Sun becomes Digbali here. You get name, fame, wealth. You are good administrator and you enjoy your life. You get help from government. Sun from 10th house aspects 4th house. Therefore, 2nd house, 4th house, 8th house and 10th houses are favorable houses. Finance, banking, family business, administration, management are favorable fields for you. If ascendant lord Sun is in 11th house in Gemini sign, then you have good leadership qualities. You will have high status in society. You have to take up your family's responsibility. You get benefits from your friends and relatives, but this placement is not good for your children and father. Sun from 11th house aspects 5th house. Therefore, 3rd house, 5th house, 9th house and 11th houses are favorable houses. Software, IT, communication fields, travel agencies, own business are favorable to you. If ascendant lord Sun is in 12th house in Cancer sign, then you are surrounded by enemies, but you win over your enemies. You are a poised person. You have foreign connections. You may also travel foreign countries. Your relationship with father is not good. You may lack bed pleasures. Sun from 12th house aspects 6th house. Therefore, 4th house, 6th house, 10th house and 12th houses are favorable houses. Real estate, property dealing, foreign travel agencies, hospital services are favorable fields for you. The favorable conjunctions for Leo ascendant are Sun Mars and Sun Venus and Sun Mercury and Mars Jupiter and Mars Venus. These are favorable conjunctions for Leo ascendant. You will receive useful and informative videos on this channel. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. My mail ID is solarastro9@gmail.com.